Okay guys, today we're going to be doing a video about this cool website that I found called Feedly.com. What it is pretty much just a blog site where people post blogs and you can go and read different types of blogs for whatever subject you're interested in. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to Feedly.com, you're going to click the Get Started for free. Continue with Feedly, just set up an account. So I'll use my name, Harrison Schott, email. And I'll set up a password. Create my account. And now we're into the website, and you can look at a bunch of different stuff. So you can go look at photography is one of the subjects that I'm pretty interested in. And you can look at a bunch of different ones. This is a pretty interesting article, just with like old time pictures, and it gives like a little quote about the photographer. And what you can do is, so if I found this feed, The Impossible Cool, so I can follow them and make a new feed, and I can put it under photography, create, and now over here on the left side, I have a photography feed with the article that I like, and I can look back to that and try and follow more articles. You can also look up other things like marketing, you can see here. So look up marketing, and then just give a bunch of different types of blogs that you can look and choose from. I saw this HubSpot one earlier that I really like, so I'm going to give them a follow, and I'll create a new feed under marketing. Create that, and you can see over here on the left side I have a marketing feed now and a photography feed. You can also search by title. So another article that I know of is the Quick Sprout blog. So I'll look up Quick Sprout, click on it right here, and I can give them another follow and add to the marketing, and see now they're both over here. So overall, I think this is a great website, and I can't wait to continue to look and find more blogs that I'm interested in and see what else the website has. Thank you.